Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Warframe game crashing or not working, not loading, keep stopping, lagging, freezing or other issues on Android phone. So very first method is to restart your phone once and then try to launch the game. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. It may differ from device to device. Now after restarting your phone once, now check if the game is opening or not. If not, second method is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you're using mobile data, then go to Wi-Fi, or if you're using Wi-Fi, then restart your router once and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to force stop the game. So for that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on app info and then click on force stop and then click on OK. Now after this, try to open the game and check. If not, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage and cache, click on clear cache, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, you should check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store and the search option, search for Warframe, and after that here you should check if there is any kind of update. If yes, update your game to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. But if you still face the issue, you can also try a VPN and then check if you can open the game. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, here you have to search for VPN and you will get lots of VPN apps. Install any one of them, change the location, and after that try to log into the game and check if you can play it. Next method is to check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. So for that, go to settings and after that go below, click on system update, and here you will find if there is any update available. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version and after that try to log into the game and then check if the game is opening or not. If not and the issue continues, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, click and hold the game icon here. Now click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. Now after uninstalling the game, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, here you have to search for the game Warframe and finally click on the install option and then check if the game is opening or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.